Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to use text effect on iPhone iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18 comes text effect in iMessage, and here I'm going to walk you through a complete process on how you can easily use this. So if I don't have this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to use text effect on iPhone iOS 18 in iMessage, all you just need to do is go ahead, open the iMessage and then open the chat where you want to use the text effect. So here, go ahead and type in the message, and I can see I just type how to use text effect on iPhone iOS 18. Now, to use the text effect, just highlight part of the text like this. So once highlighted, then you should see this menu comes up on it like this. Now go ahead and click on text effects. Then there you go. You have option to put in the text, to italize it, underline it, and then strike through. You can also make it big among the text. You see that? So it's going to pop, the big is going to pop. If you make it small, then the small is going to pop from the normal text back to small. You can check it. You can nod it. You can make the text you highlighted explode. So that's part of the text effects on iPhone iOS 18. You can even turn on ripple to make it ripple as if it's a water ripple. What about bloom? You see that? And also jitter. So whichever one you selected here like this, or snake check or check, and then go ahead and hit the send button, then hang on. Then you should see the text delivered, and the text effect will accompany it once delivered. So copy it again. Then highlight all. Then once selected all, go ahead, click on text effects, and here let's make this explode. Send. Then the recipient will experience the text effect whenever they are receiving this message. If I go ahead now, copy this to confirm this to you, then paste it again, then you should see all the text exploded. So that is what the text is going to look like when it is sent to the recipient. So it's going to explode all the text. You can also translate it using the new text feature on your iOS 18. So select all again, then tap text effect, then let us ripple it, then send. So that is what it's going to be once the iMessage is sent. It's going to ripple and it's going to explode. So you can just use the multiple text effect on the new iOS 18 when sending iMessage on your iPhone. So that is basically how to use text effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.